Hello everyone and thank you guys for watching our videos. There are some people who watch our videos and also like and subscribe. But there are others who do not like and subscribe to our videos. So I just request those who do not like and subscribe our video, please like, subscribe and share our videos and comment what type of videos you like to watch. We do not make long videos because you get bored watching long videos. Watch the video till end. So let's start the video by not wasting any more time. So the Earth, where we live. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor life. According to radiometric dating estimation and other evidence, Earth formed over 4.5 billion years ago. Earth's gravity interacts with other objects in space, especially the Sun and the Moon, which is Earth's only natural satellite. Earth is a rocky terrestrial planet. It has a solid and active surface with mountain valleys, canyons, plains, and so much more. Earth is special because it is an ocean planet. Water covers 70% of Earth's surface. There are three layers of the earth: crust, mantle, and core. Let's talk about all these in detail. First, we will talk about the crust. Earth's crust is like the shell of a hard boiled egg. It is extremely thin, cold, and brittle compared to what lies below it. The crust is made of relatively light elements, especially silica, aluminum, and oxygen. It's also highly variable in its thickness. Under the oceans, it may be as little as 5 kilometers thick. Beneath the continents, the crust may be 30 to 70 kilometers thick. Now we will talk about mantle. At close 3000 kilometers thick, this is Earth's thickest layer. It starts a mere 30 kilometers beneath the surface, made mostly of iron, magnesium, and silicon. It is dense, hot, and semi solid, like the layer below it. This one also circulates, it just does so far more slowly. There are two types of core: inner core and outer core. First, we will talk about inner core. This solid metal ball has a radius of 1220 kilometers, or about 3 quarters that of the moon. It's located some 6400 to 5180 kilometers beneath Earth's surface. Extremely dense, it's made mostly of iron and nickel. The inner core spins a bit faster than the rest of the planet. It's also intensely hot. Temperatures sizzle at 5400 degrees Celsius. That's almost as hot as the surface of the sun. Pressure here are immense, well over 3 million times greater than on Earth's surface. Some research suggests there may also be an inner core. It would likely consist almost entirely of iron. Now outer core. This part of the core is also made from iron and nickel, just in liquid form. It sits some 5180 to 2880 kilometers below the surface, heated largely by the radioactive decay of the elements uranium and thorium. This liquid churns in huge turbulent currents. That motion generates electrical currents. They in turn generate Earth's magnetic field for regions somehow related to the outer core. Earth's magnetic field reverses about every 2 lakh to 3 lakh years. Scientists are still working to understand how that happens. If I give you more information, the video can be long and you can get bored due to this. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching the video till end.